Travis Scott is in hot water with fans after he released his Astroworld album cover because he edited out one of the many people in the picture. Do you guys know what I'm talking about? And do you like his album cover? Let me know in the comments below. I want to hear all your thoughts. I'm Ashley and you're watching Hot on Hollywire. Celebrity photographer David LaChapelle shot the Astroworld album cover, which depicts an X-rated amusement park with edgy half-naked models. Amanda Lepore, a trans model, had previously shared a different version of the cover on her Instagram, which showed her bent over behind a purple couch on social media, but she and fans soon discovered that she was edited out of the image before the final cover was released by the rapper on July 31st. Amanda took to Instagram to share her thoughts about the edited album cover with her fans, saying that she was too distracting for the eyes, upstaged everyone in the photograph. When the photographer was asked about the edited version by paparazzi, he replied, "Amanda just upstaged everyone. She knows the tea." The photographer also wanted to make it clear that Travis's choice to cut Amanda out had nothing to do with hating. "I personally love the cover with Amanda in it. Which one do you prefer?" Not only is Travis being called transphobic by fans, Kim Kardashian is being called out for her homophobic comment towards Tyson Beckford. Tyson commented on a picture of Kim saying, "She's not real, Dr. on her right hip." Kim, who said she's never gone under the knife, replied, "Sis, we all know why you don't care for it." This comment isn't going over well with her fans either. So how do you guys feel about this, and what do you think Caitlyn Jenner must be thinking right now? On a lighter note, Astroworld is coming out soon. Let me know how excited you guys are to hear it. Be sure to subscribe, watch the next video to find out first what's hot on Hollywire.